from the government of the Philippines through its peace mechanisms that continue to play a vital role in supporting the decommissioning process and the transformation of former combatants into peaceful civilian life. Kanunyago tika na makinag tano so message and pun kanong peace mechanisms na gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Attorney Liza Alamia, MP Attorney Liza Alamia sent a video message since she will not be able to join us this afternoon. She is sending her apologies to all of us.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My sincerest apologies, I could not be in June today because of a medical emergency. Just a few days ago, the Philippine Statistics Authority noted that the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao posted the highest illiteracy rate in the Philippines, with 14.4% of residents aged 5 and above unable to read and write based on the 2024 Functional Literacy, Education, and Mass Media Survey. This is quite unfortunately double the national average literacy rate of 6.9%. We keep these figures in mind as we extend educational assistance to the children of decommissioned combatants from the Moro Islamic Liberation Front. Pursuing a college education is a big accomplishment for the Bangsamoro youth, especially given the difficulties and disadvantages we face as part of a post-conflict community led by a government in transition. For generations, our brothers and sisters made the difficult choice to take up arms, driven by a strong collective desire for self-determination and justice in the region. Through the peace negotiations, we have found ourselves along a different path, one that thrives not in conflict, but in constructive dialogue and inclusive governance. The decommissioning of MILF combatants is a courageous and historic step towards lasting peace. As our Mujahideen and Mujahidat laid down their arms, the Bangsamoro youth began to pick up their own equipment of choice, books, pens, and other school materials in pursuit of education and empowerment. Our latest Memorandum of Agreement with the Mindanao State University System translates to educational assistance for 900 college students, each receiving 25,000 pesos for the second semester of academic year 2024-2025 as financial support for their school expenses, which include tuition, uniform, lodging, and other miscellaneous fees. Educational assistance programs are essential for our youth to succeed. Today's event is not merely ceremonial or symbolic. It is tangible proof of our commitment to making life better for the Bangsamoro as we pursue peace and progress for all. Education is not merely about gaining knowledge. It is a transformative power that emboldens our youth to lead the charge against poverty and ignorance. For our Bangsamoro youth, equality education is their passport to a world of opportunities. It equips them with the skills to secure a stable livelihood, to become innovators and leaders, and to build a stronger and more vibrant Bangsamoro. By investing in their education, we directly address the root causes of conflict, poverty, inequality, and lack of opportunities. By empowering the youth, we are taking steps towards ensuring that the struggles of the past do not become the burdens of the future. We are building a generation of peacemakers, critical thinkers, and community builders who will champion justice, inclusivity, and good governance. We are grateful to our partners and allies in the Bangsamoro government and beyond making sure that we have the necessary resources to make this program a reality for our aspiring scholars across the region. We thank the Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity, the Office of the Chief Minister, the Government of the Philippines Peace Implementing Panel, the Office for Bangsamoro Transformation, the Joint Normalization Committee, the Joint Peace and Security Committee, the Coordinating Committee on Cessation of Hostilities, the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, and the Mindanao State University. May this educational assistance further establish our unwavering faith in the potential of the Bangsamoro youth. Let every scholar be a beacon of hope, showing that the sacrifices of those who fought for the Bangsamoro were not in vain. Let us continue working together to make education more accessible to more students across the region, for their success inevitably leads to the success of the entire Bangsamoro region. Maraming salamat po. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.